Herzlichen Dank, dass alle tatsächlich da sind und ich habe gleich die Gelegenheit, etwas zu machen, was man wahrscheinlich so gar nicht erwartet in diesen Tagen. Denn es gibt tatsächlich die Gelegenheit, mit jemandem zu sprechen und nicht mit irgendwem, sondern mit Leuten, die hier sehr, sehr gut reinpassen, die auch auf dieser Bühne hier wahrscheinlich für eine Stimmung sorgen würden, wie es so manche Band nicht hinkriegen würde. Denn sie haben in der Ukraine schon einen großen Bekanntheitsgrad und sie haben dort, da gibt es auch eine Show, das ist etwa vergleichbar mit dem Supertalent, ja, da haben sie gewonnen und sie haben da Songs gespielt, die man kennt, aber in einer Art und Weise, die die Songs tanzbarer, besser, lauter, unterhaltsamer, entertainiger machen, als sie ohnehin schon sind. Und sie sind jetzt gerade. Und es ist eigentlich kaum vorstellbar, dass wir die Gelegenheit dazu haben. Ich hoffe, es klappt. Genau wissen wir es nicht. Es gab immer mal wieder Probleme, auch mit der Leitung, mit dem Internet, wie man sich vorstellen kann. Es gibt eine Schalte und ich habe jetzt die Gelegenheit, mit Ihnen zu sprechen. Sie sind jetzt gerade in einem Bunker unter der Stadt Charkiw. Und die Band und die Menschen, die wir jetzt hier gleich begrüßen werden, die heißen Село, люди. Großer Applaus! Und dieser Applaus kommt direkt an in der Ukraine, in dieser Sekunde. Hello, this is Berlin. Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear us?
So it's really, it's clearly unbelievable that we really have a connection now and that you are just waiting here to perform on a stage. Of course, via this internet connection. So can you tell us a bit about the situation you're at right now?
Okay, we say when someone is asking how are you, we found the word, it's stable. So means you're alive, you're intact. There are shooting, there are shelling, there are bombing, but not that much as it was in the beginning. The safety got relative, and it's a new normal. What I would like to accent on that, well, you know, I'm catching myself on the thought that still, regardless that we are within the situation, we are tend to percepting this whole thing as some bad dream or some horror movie. And, well, the war has been going in Ukraine for past 8 years. And, well, this is my own conclusion that the further the war is from you, the easier it's to, displace the whole danger. So what I want to prevent all of you from, this is not a bad movie, this is not a bad dream, this is not going to end by itself just like this. This is real. And some popular delusion that I heard from, not only Olaf Scholz, but from him also, that this is not war of Russians, that is war just Putin's war. Well, it's not a war of ethnical Russians, but this is war of Putin and those who are supporting him. And as we know, this is a huge percentage of Russian population and of other countries' inhabitants. There are the people that like Putin, that support his politics, and also in Ukraine, which is almost incredible. The minimum of them are in Ukraine, but still they are here. In Bulgaria, in France, in Germany, all over the world. And the war that Putin has started is not only the war against, democratic, free world. It's the war against the civilization. Because I believe that none of civilized people support shelling the civilian buildings, killing the civilians, shooting civil cars, trying to evacuate, killing children. So let me accent on them once again. This is real. This is not a bad dream. This is not a horror movie. This is something that is not going to end by itself. And Ukraine is standing, and we feel It's so great to feel that we are united with the world right now, and the world does not underestimate the threat we've all faced with. So let's just accept, all of us. I would like that we accept that completely. The faster we would do that, the better are our chances to survive, to finally win, and to face our beautiful future without all the threats, with all the threats done with them. Thank you.
Thank you, and I hope that you can hear nearly 1 million people now applauding you, your words. And
Really.
And you can find
to be within another situation for that, but we have what we have.
yeah, what do you, this is what
So
you said.
we are here also to entertain people. So I'm gonna just go connect to another channel with our stream, and we're gonna play a song for you.
Yes, that's it. So thank you very much. Another phase of bravery that we saw so much in the past few days and weeks. Thank you very much so far for these inspiring words and for the truth. This is what he said. It's the truth. It's not about dream. It's something that we all have to realize. Vielen herzlichen Dank. Jetzt ist es tatsächlich soweit. Es ist eine Coverversion von einem Song. Es heißt It's My Life. Den Song kennen wir alle, aber in dieser Version sicher nicht. Село, люди.
Sing a song for a broken hearted, lost and prayer for the faith departed. I'm gonna be just a face in a crowd. You're gonna hear my voice when I shout it out loud. It's my life, and it's now or never. I'm gonna live forever. I just wanna live a life alive. My heart is like an open highway. The strength is that I did it my way. I don't wanna live another life. It's my life. It's the ones who stood the ground. Kharkiv and Kiev never back down. Tomorrow's getting harder, make no mistake. You're lucky to even lucky left to make your own breaks. It's my life, it's now or never. I'm gonna live forever. I just wanna live my life alive. And my heart is like an open highway. As friend said, I did it my way. I don't wanna live another life. It's my life. It's my life. It's my life. It's my life, my problems. It's my life, my burdens. It's my life, my troubles. It's my life, my problems. It's my life. It's my life. Stop forcing me. Stop shooting me.
Ukraine. Ich glaube, das Wort Tapferkeit haben wir alle unterschätzt. Und das ist nur ein weiteres Gesicht der Tapferkeit. Село, люди aus Charkiw, aus der Ukraine. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And we really hope to have you here on that stage performing again. Село, люди. This is an invitation.